US30 this week risen in value. We can see what happened. The price formed this bullish candle, reaching the next resistance level 264, and then bounced back down. And we can see this one was a bearish engulfing candle right here at the resistance level. But then on the next day, the price returned back up, reaching again a resistance level 43,264, and then continue to rise the value also on Friday. Friday there was a small wick on the lower side, a little bit bigger wick than it is on the upper side, where the price tried to return back down, bouncing from this resistance level, but the price continued to rise in value again. Weekly time frame shows us currently another bullish candle after the price formed a bullish candle in the previous week, which is a great signal for the bulls. And the monthly, nothing too different compared to the weekly, because we have another bullish candle forming here. We have 2 more weeks until this month closes, but as it looks right now, the price will try to move even higher further on, going above and above. Okay, I will also make the next levels on the daily analysis. We will see that here, where the next level and also where the next target is. And we can see 45,268 is the next resistance level for the price, visible right here. And currently the price is forming a bullish breakout. Now in between these levels there will be 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame. I will share that with the traders inside trading community. You can join also if you would like. And every day I will share the details how the price behaves and also how the market looks, like in this example where I have shared details after this bullish breakout. The target was here. This was shared with the traders inside trading community. Now for the price, I am counting that the price will continue to rise in value, reaching higher price levels. Somewhere in between will be a resistance that will be retracing the price back down to the 43,264 resistance level, and then it will act as a support. After this one, it will act as support and then bouncing back up. This is a possible scenario, but we'll see day by day how the market reacts. What do you think about this current market status? Do you think that the price will continue to rise in value about 43,264, or do you think the price will reverse back down next week, where the price will try to reach, first of all, this is the first support level, 42 or 43, we can around this number, around this area, and then the next continue even further down to the first support level. We can see a pretty strong, it was a resistance pretty strong, but it is confirmed as a support after the price formed this bullish breakout. Leave your comments so we can discuss further on. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.